Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 mini, and today I will show you how to record screen on this device. So by default the toggle itself is disabled, so we will need to start off by going into the settings, and then at the top, somewhere at the top of the list, you do have the control center category. Click on it and scroll down till you find your lower the brightness. So scroll down till you find screen recorder, which for me is right over here, and simply click on the plus button. This will add it in here. You can also arrange it where it's positioned in the list. And now when you pull down the control center, you should see it somewhere here. So once you find it, simply click on it. It starts a countdown from 3, and then we'll begin recording. And whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. So if you open up any kind of application, minus things like Netflix will not be recorded. It will record the screen. And once you're done with it, pull down your control center, tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. This automatically saves your recording to your Photos application. So there it is. It's already playing, so there we go, that's the recording. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.